Amber and Joel. Not a lot has changed in what we're thinking is going to happen here during the day Thursday with Michael. It's still going to have at least a moderate impact. Let's show you the storm now. It's in the Gulf of Mexico, and as expected, it is gaining steam now, a Category 2 hurricane. Remember yesterday, early on, the winds were at 75. Now they're at 110 miles an hour, chugging steadily towards the north, getting perilously close now to northwest Florida as it makes its way towards the north at about 12. Here's a close-in view, and you can see a fairly well organized eye there. Hurricane hunters are in it, may find it's a bit stronger than it was at 2 o'clock. We'll have an update coming up at 5. But as of 2, winds at 110, moving north at 12. It'll continue that speed. Looks like it's got a rendezvous with the northwest Florida coast around Panama City midday tomorrow. This is 8 a.m., Category 3 potentially, moving into northwest Florida, southwest Georgia by tomorrow evening, and of course weakening. But this would deal a devastating blow to parts of the Panhandle that bear the brunt of that, and to the right of the eye. Storm surge in this area of the Big Bend region of Florida could be 9 to 12 feet above normal level. Incredible storm surge there and destructive winds. For us, here we are Thursday at 8 o'clock in the morning, still in Georgia, but look how fast it moves between Thursday and Friday. In 24 hours, it crosses 2 states and is out into the Atlantic Ocean. So again, as we talked about yesterday, Michael will not be lollygagging around. It is going to zip through the state. The biggest impacts here are going to come as we get into Thursday evening, Thursday night. Here's our first alert predictor. This is overnight. You see the hurricane approaching northwest Florida. Again, that could be just a devastating storm for the Panhandle by tomorrow afternoon. This is just around midday, early afternoon, begins to weaken. This is tomorrow around midnight. Now, we'll have some showers around tomorrow, not directly associated with Michael, but then as it gets closer, this is Thursday, midday around 11 o'clock. We start off Thursday okay, but we get into the afternoon and evening and we get into the brunt of the storm. The heaviest rain could actually be north and west of the center of circulation, which will move right along 95. So the evening hours into 11 or 12, wind and rain across the region, moving quickly out. So by Friday morning, you head out, it's all gone in terms of any wind or rain, and skies are generally sunny. How much rain? Still thinking about 2 to 4 inches across the region. Could be an isolated 5-inch amount. The heaviest could actually be this go around from the triangle north and west, as the heaviest rains could be north and west of the center, but generally 2 to 4. Can't take those numbers as absolute gospel truth, but that's the general rainfall amount. Winds that gust 40 to 45, maybe 50, generally Thursday late in the afternoon. That's 6:30 into the evening hours. Then by midnight, the gusty winds, or at least start to subside, and Friday just breezy. So we'll talk more about the impact here. It's mainly Thursday afternoon, Thursday night coming up in just a little bit.